Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to set time on this newly launched Bajaj Pulsar 220. So if you are also facing problem, this video will be really helpful. Let's get started. The very first step to set time on this Bajaj Pulsar 220 is you have to turn on the ignition. After turning on the ignition, if your kill switch is turned off, turn it on. You will see the instrument cluster over here. There is no any physical button to adjust time. But on the left side, you will see M is mentioned. This is mode button. By using this button, we will adjust the time over here. Something is mentioned that is showing refuel. Now press this mode button. This is enter. We have to reach towards setting. So this is setting. If you will go through other, continuously press this mode button until you come in setting on option one by one. So this is setting option. Once you come here, you have to press and hold this mode button for few seconds. You will see Bluetooth on is mentioned. It means we have reached. Now press again one by one to change the function until you reach in set a clock. Now you can see here we have reached towards set clock option. To get inside this option, you have to press and hold mode button for few seconds. Then after you will see the hour will start blinking. You can see here the hour have started blinking. Press one by one to change. As you see here, I am going ahead. Now to adjust minute, press and hold this for few seconds. You will see minute will start blinking. The last digit is blinking. Press one by one that mode button to go ahead. Now if you want to adjust the front digit of minute, again press and hold this mode button. You will see here the front digit will start blinking. So as you see here, now again press one by one that mode button to go ahead. So after adjusting hour and minute, to adjust AM and PM, again press and hold this mode button for few seconds. You will see here it will blink. So press one by one to change this AM. As you see here, I am pressing this one by one to change AM and PM. Now to keep this fixed, press mode button at the end for few seconds. So you can see here whatever the time we have adjusted is fixed over here. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.